Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm here to respond to some of the comments that you dropped in one of my AdSense Online Verification videos. Some of you have asked that you don't have the new option in your AdSense account. So there could probably be one or two reasons why you don't have it yet in your AdSense account. So the first one is, if you're not in the country that the option has been rolled out to, definitely you will not have access to it. So like in Africa, I think I can remember we have like 3 or more than 3 countries, but I'm sure of Nigeria, South Africa, Tunisia, and 2 other countries, I guess. So I'll be sharing the list of the countries, the one that I'm sure of. I'll share them on the screen. So if you're not in any of these countries, definitely you will not have that option, in your AdSense account. So that means you are going to do your AdSense verification just like the normal way. You understand? So the second one is this: if you're based in Nigeria, or if your account is based in Nigeria, definitely you won't be able to have, or you won't have the new option in your AdSense account if you have already set up your AdSense account like about 2 months ago, like prior to 2 months ago. So you won't have that option in your AdSense account if you have already started your AdSense setup. So this setup was just rolled out recently to African creators like about a month or so. So if you have already started it before then, definitely you won't have access to the new option. So I'll be talking more about this and other things that relates to YouTube monetization on Didi's channel. So I'll be visiting Didi's channel like in some few hours from now. So I would like you guys to join me. We'll be talking about the quicker way to monetize on YouTube, how you can get your subscribers, how you can quickly get your 4,000 watch time hours, how you can the AdSense process, things you need to avoid, the mistakes you need to avoid. So I'll be talking a whole lot within the space of 45 minutes. So I would like you guys to join. So if you have any question you want to ask, you can come with your questions. And if you have any contribution, any experience you want to share with the community, come join me, on Didi's channel. So we talk more, because other creators will be there to listen and also to share their thoughts and experience. So I'll be meeting you guys there. So summarily, if you don't have this option, the new AdSense option in your AdSense account, just know that it's because you're not based, or you didn't set up your AdSense account in those countries that I've mentioned, or you've already started your AdSense account much earlier. So that is the reason. That is, at least these are the 2 major reasons. Some other reason might also affect, but I'm sure of these 2 reasons. So I wish you all the best. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on Didi's channel. Bye.